Okay, the next step is to outline. Now, originally I was thinking we would just use pen for this, but
mine's not dry yet.
I used a blow dryer. It should be dry. Where is it still wet?
I'm pretty sure the lakes might be kind of wet. Also, the bay right here.
Bay.
Oh, Mom.
But you don't have to write right there, right?
The ocean feels so good.
Does it? I feel like, I don't know if it's a different paper or if it's that I use a blow dryer, but I do think it is a little different. What color would I use for a river? Oh, there's this kind of cool blue-green. Ocean blue? Probably shouldn't use that for a river.
Oh, Mom, I wasn't going to color it over at all. Why would we do that?
Well, if you wanted to add some details, for example, well, you don't have any rivers, but if you wanted to go back over your trees with colored pencils, or you could go back over your trees with a black pen. But anywhere you had pencil, you either need to go over with a colored pencil. I'm sorry, anywhere, with pencil. Either go, what are you doing?
Oh, man.
This is just line work. This is like adding like I don't think that's the right color either.
Waves. There's a few spots paintbrushes can't get, the colored pencils can. Also spots where are really white, where I put watercolors in a lot, and they wouldn't get done.
You could also go back in with more watercolor once it's dry.
There, done.
Okay.
With this.
I'm just gonna get my rivers with this blue colored pencil.
One. I want a pen.
Let me grab you a pen. Here, while I grab you a pen, can you sharpen this pencil?
In the pencil sharpener? Yes.
Where else? Okay, I thought I had 2 brands of pen, but it looks like I just have the Amazon ones. So we're gonna see how these work and if these feel good as we're tracing stuff.
Oh, these are.
Let's see, I can try it.
Probably pretty good. They
They
don't work very well.
They work fine, but I wish they were a little more jelly. Let me see if I have another kind.
Now try.
I do have another kind. I knew I bought 2.
Yeah. We need one more a bit darker. They can't trace over my mountains.
Try this one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, these work so good.
That's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna just
these are the types of pens that work.
trace over all of our. You can do it a little nicer, add a little bit of flourish. I heard one trick that if you want it to look like it's calligraphy, you could just go back down over all your downstrokes. It's a fancy way of writing on all your downstrokes and just make all your downstrokes extra heavy.
Mom?
Uh-huh.
I have a question.
What's up?
Why does it say land on one part of this? It says land.
Where?
Right here.
I don't know. That looks like you're writing.
Yeah, I definitely didn't put it there. Neither did Mom. And neither did I.
You didn't write land on there?
No.
Did you name your map?
Where's the other dino? Look, Dino Land.
Is that supposed to say Dino Land?
Yeah.
Hey, did you sharpen my pencil? Oh yeah, this one. That's super sharp.
Mom, it's gonna be really hard tracing my palm, tracing my what are they called again?
Tracing my, what are they called again? Your palm trees?
Type of tree. These.
Oh. You can do it. Just kind of do the same shape that you already did. Is that all my rivers? So then I could go over my dunes and my hills. The names for sure need to be black. I think you could choose to go over your hills with either black or a colored pencil that is the similar color. I think I'm going to go with black though. Yes, baby.
I made my island. It's called Harvest Island. Be rocky and all full of rocks and pebbles and gravel.
Oh, that's great. I love that. You know, I had a book that had some really good examples that I ordered that should have been here.
Yeah, you should make a rock tumble
earlier this
island
week.
where it's filled with rocks and stuff, and Harvest Island was filled with farms.
Okay, and Harvest Island is the rock island, and Rock Island is where all the good stuff is.
Ridiculous.
Don't say ridiculous.
I love it.
Why not?
Oh, Mom.
Yes, buddy.
I just realized on this island, I actually made I made a picture for a whole entire city. And I colored over it with green.
Something land.
All right. I don't know if I need to keep videoing this. I'm just going to go over everything with pen. The one thing that I will say, well, what we are going to maybe do, I think I returned the 2 matte books I had, and the one that I ordered I think is not here. But what you can do is go around your whole landmass with another line, and that makes it look kind of like waves. I will show you that in just a minute. Then if you don't like it, you can decide not to do it.
Mom, look, all my mountains, I couldn't see them, so I just used a pen to draw new mountains.
That's perfect.
I've made the archipelago of war, where everyone is always at peace.
I love it that you're basically doing the opposite for it.
Okay, Kaden, you do need to outline all your land. Yep. And then what you can do is go back over, and you can actually do this, I think, if you're doing it really professionally, you do it with different widths of pen, but we're not. So what you can do is if you're going to add, you can either add 2 or 3 lines.
Look, I made my bay right here.
Hang on, let me finish this thought. So you're going to add another line around your land, and it can either be 1 more line or 2 more lines. But what you want it to do is to be getting lighter as you go out. So just hold your pen lighter. And it doesn't have to be exact, but we're going to kind of trace the shape.
Mom, look,
I should have written down my lagoons
look at the
first.
end of my pen when I traced big island.
You might need to wipe off your pen. That looks like it might be paper and paint.
Yep.
Hopefully the pens still work.
Yeah, my pen works really good.
Even after you took off all that paper and paint?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks great.
Look good.
I only have a couple islands left, and my compass.
Making great progress.
Yeah, my star really needed it.
Which one's your favorite island?
On yours or his?
His. And then mine.
Probably Breadstick Island, the Jungle Island.
What's your favorite?
With
What's
a
your favorite
parody.
one of mine? Probably Dragon Island, right?
Yeah.
But then there's also Broken Lovers Island, which is like, look at it used to be way bigger, but look.
Did you say Broken Lovers?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Because it's a heart shaped. And looking, this one, it used to be way bigger, but it got flooded. So you can see where it used to be bigger.
Yeah, a lot of the islands used to be much bigger, but then they got really flooded. They used to basically be a ginormous continent with a bunch of water in between it. But then flood.
You should, before you trace over everything, actually probably before you even start painting, you should probably make sure that everything is spelled correctly.
Yep.
Ooh, that's why I'm not right. Half the reason I'm not writing anything. I probably spelled it all wrong.
And also, you should start, if you're right-handed, you should be working your way this way. If you're left-handed, probably working your way this way. So you're not putting your hand
Breadstick.
right where you were just writing.
And Breadstick Island.
I love it.
Mom, I outlined Breadstick Island.
What color did you make Breadstick Island?
I made it be a bamboo jungle, beach jungle, bamboo paradise island.
Did they grow breadsticks on it?
Yep. They grew breadsticks from bushes and trees, and the beaches were paradises. Oh yeah,
I'm gonna tie this paper to my hand and see if I can paint it.
Oh yeah, and there are little little stops were flying ships named dragon ships and dino ships. What floated and flew could come and land. Not spaceships, but like big airships. What are boats, flying boats. Like ones in the Go Fortnite.
Okay, this is where you can go and back and add dimension to your mountains by coming back and just drawing a couple of sketch lines.
Already did that.
On one side, like shadows, like my sun is currently rising.
Do you think I'll be able to draw well with it like this?
Do you want to risk it?
Yes.
I'm sending yours as an example to the class tomorrow.
Mine?
Yep.
But then they'll all feel disappointed.
I'm glad you're proud of your work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too.
I'm joking.
Mom, look. On my desert islands, I have sand dunes.
I'm still triggered by all the trees that I put in Middle Earth, and I don't think I can bring myself to trace these trees. I can't do it. I can't. Okay.
Why is it called Middle Earth?
Because that's what Tolkien named it.
Are you drawing the
I'm talking about my wall painting. I'm not now, but the time that I did that painting, there were so many trees that I never want to draw another tree on a map again. Ever.
I'll draw them, but look at how bad my trees are.
I think they look great.
My trees are A's without lines.
That's great too.
That's how I draw mountains.
Oh, nice houses.
Yes, I am outlining them.
My houses were like sticks with triangles on top.
I actually forgot to put any kind of buildings on mine.
I think
Yours
sticks.
can be an unlived on map.
Yeah, sticks with houses feel like this. Boop, boop, boop.
No,
boop.
like
That's
this.
how.
One, line, triangle.
Oh. Yeah, this is how I draw mine.
Is the door open?
It does kind of sound like it, doesn't it?
Mom, look. Mom, when I painted it over with gray, you kind of couldn't see my castle, and I just drew it over again, even better than my last castle.
Okay. Oh, I missed some. Can't forget Tea Time Mesa. Speaking of, how's our tea doing?
Mesa.
Yeah, Mesa is a big flat spot. Generally in a dry area.
Help.
So then the opposite of
I need
Vermont,
help
I mean
pouring, I
Vermont
think.
Gospels.
Yeah, that's not flat and it's not desert.
Did you know that a desert could also be ice?
Yeah,
Which doesn't make sense to me because ice is a frozen form of liquid.
but if it's frozen, it's not water and things, right?
You just need to breathe on it hard enough.
What?
And lick it.
What is the definition of a desert?
Something that doesn't have enough water.
Okay, is that it?
Mm-hmm.
I just need to do my compass and then add any other details.
This island doesn't have very many pine forests.
Okay, guys, we just need to add stuff like sweetener.
Thanks for making tea, Kaden.
Can you come over with the milk?
I'll do the sweetener.
No, I'm sweetening.
Can you get the milk, Thea?
Uh-huh.
Kaden, how much sweetener are you putting in?
Yours was 1.5.
That's fair.
And how much do you want yours?
None, please.
None!
Thank you.
Mom, do you want one of yours?
No, thank you.
You filled it up with much. Yeah, I'll put it in the freezer after the not much. I think that was perfect. Ow.
All right, and that is a completed map. Just gonna make these lines a little bolder. Go back through, and anything that looks like it might need another pass over for anything.
Hey, Mom, do you know what would be fun?
There we go.
Watercoloring outside.